Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction to Setmore. We're just going to go through some of the basics today so you can dive right in. You'll want to go to setmore.com and in the top right you can do the start now to register for your account. Go ahead and make sure that you use your UNCC email. Go ahead and make up a password, put your name in, and hit the Create My Account button. Of course, right now I already have a login. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account. And once we have that open, you will see that here's where you'll go to view your appointments, edit your appointments. You can also change your password if you need to, but you will see your availability is already in there. Of course, right now I don't have an appointment, so let's go ahead and make a test appointment. And this is the CCI Tutors Setmore webpage, where students can select a class of their choice, and it will guide them through the process of setting up an appointment. There's also different categories including the reviews and tutor listings. So let's just go ahead and choose a class I know I'm listed under, which is the 2300 class, Web Development. So there I am, and I can choose a date and a time, and it will go along with my availability. So I can just go ahead and pick one for tomorrow, and we'll just do it at 2 o'clock. And it will prompt and require someone to put their name and email. Now, it does not require the first and last name, but we are trying to get that information. So if you have to, you might want to edit the first and last name on the appointment later if you know their first and last name, or put it in the notes to assist David, because he will be thankfully keeping up with that. And it's going to go ahead and ask them to confirm their appointment. And when they book the appointment, they will receive an email. You'll also receive an email, and you have the option to sync your Gmail account to it. So you definitely should get a notification. And it will also appear on your Setmore account. And you can go ahead and hit the little edit button on the appointment. You'll see the summary information. You can then hit edit appointment. This, you can actually change the date and time if necessary. And you can also add notes. You will also see the students' notes if they put a note. Of course, this is an example of a bad note. But hopefully you'll go ahead and put some good notes in there, which is in the tutor handbook. You will also need to make sure that you're changing the label to done or to no-show to make sure that we're cataloging the appointments correctly. If a student confirms with you earlier in that week or at some point, you can also change it to confirmed. But you definitely want to make sure that you're putting something in there for that label so that we're tracking the appointments correctly. Alright, so you can actually hit the My Details and you can update your password if need be, but for the most part this is all that you're going to see on your personal account for Setmore. A lot of the changes or other types of things that you need, just see David about, and he should be able to help you out or accommodate you. Now this is our website, and this is the CCI Tutors one. It's very important that we try to go ahead and get reviews, so you just refer them to the appointment website and they can just hit reviews and just write a review. It's actually very easy to do. Should take them no time at all, and I really hope that we can encourage students to do reviews, maybe contribute photos or send us photos to help foster a community. And then there's also the new cci.setmore website that will list different services that we provide as a CCI department. It will also allow students to book an event and register for events that are going on. This will actually be really nice to have, and we can certainly start directing students in this direction and help get the word out there. Works the same way as the tutor website, except it caters to the entire CCI department and any events that we have going on. So students can go ahead and select an event, select an organization, and then they'll be able to select the date and time and register. And they can, they're going to get an email and they're going to get confirmation. So it will help get people going to those events. They can also go to the event listing and get more information in a different view. Well, that concludes the Setmore introduction. I hope that this was helpful. Keep in mind you can always ask questions. Thank you.